In today's video, I am going to show you how to order item from the Temu. It's simple and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your mobile device. Then browse through the home page or use the search bar to find the item you want to purchase. Then tap on the item to view it. Now choose the size, color or quantity if needed. Then tap on the add to cart button. And then go to your cart and tap on checkout. Now select or add your shipping address. Then choose your payment method. You can use a card, PayPal or other available option. Now review your order, then tap on submit. And that's it. Your item is now successfully ordered from Temu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.